Hey guys, me, or for now, whatever. Hey, it's me, Vinny here again. And remember that hand warmer, that zippo hand warmer awesome video I told you 5 minutes ago? Look, from that hidden video. My soap is still up there. And this is burning hot now because I told you guys, once you wait 2 minutes, it's burning hot.
Oh no!
And now it's really cold. Oh shh.
I don't really need much apart from what I'm using for now. I think you can't think much tools.
Okay, let's go on.
Yeah, it's been put to good use.
See, but it's
I'm gonna lose a few more. I've got a feeling. Oh, goddamn.
It's low. This now is flowing crazy. But it was flowing this now crazy sad. Oh no, it's going a little bit. This now is flowing crazy.
Yes, success. Now let's try this one. Please let me.
Okay, it's getting really hot.
Crouching, yeah, crouching. Let's get it. Oh, nearly.
Okay, now wait until it glows. Look at that.
It's a big enough gap.
It's glowing now. It's going crazy inside.
I just have to keep making sure that I am
crouching. This side looks all beat up. This side looks clean. The top is so beat up. There's very similar to
let's make one more row. The tree showing. I think it's gonna work. It's more alright. I don't think I should put a fence around it. I don't think I'm ever gonna.
This is the way you get high.
This many trees at a time.
Get this, and then you smell it. You smell gas, you get high.
I put a chest outside. I put like all the saplings I get from the trees into the chest. So I don't have to keep going inside my house to plant trees every time. So I know that's a bit lazy, but oh well.
Yeah.
Like a chest outside is a good idea, so we can fence it off. Chest outside for all the resources. So
I just smell gas.
Let's see how I.
It's gonna take a lot of cups. It's gonna take a lot of smells to get high with this. But you can't possible to get high with this. Hey, this is too hot. Not that hot. It's not like this, but still burning hot. That kind of burning hot, but burning hot still.
Well, we don't need it in our form, right?
This stuff. It's sad because it's getting really hot.
We don't need it in our form. We don't need it in our form. We don't need it in our form, right? I'm sounding a bit crazy now. Right, saplings in there. Put the dirt. We'll keep the dirt. Get some of these plants out. And we'll put the iron pickaxe away just in case it possibly might need later on.
Okay.
Can it grow? What if I'm plugging it up?
This is very hot. And this thing, this now is harder than that. But I don't want. Now it's hard to open because it's too full. I closed it.
And see if any mob spawns. We need spiders. That's what we can do. We need spiders to spawn, and then we can make some kind of sword and like gun.
I'm high. I'm high. I'm high.
Grow, because if not, then I've just made that the worst tree thing ever.
I know, I'm not really high. But whatever.
Sorry, I doubted you.
This is a video.
Sorry, I doubted you, tree.
Please like and comment and subscribe, and no, you're not. So goodbye.